Hello and welcome to Clip Next. In this video, I will be demonstrating the installation of this door sill for the Tesla Model Y. And this is for all the doors and front and trunk. And this is provided by the TeslaLaunch.net. You can check out their website for cool accessories for all the Tesla models. So do check that out. And the key benefits to this door sill installation is that it has reduced the cabin noise, the wind noise significantly, and also the loud noise while closing the door. It has improved a lot. And another one is that whenever I washed my car, it used to accumulate a lot of dirt and water in this area, particularly like right here at the base of the door, and that has reduced significantly. So let's get started with the installation. So this high quality door sill out of the box, you can see the installation guide and all the door seal for all the 4 doors, and also the pillars, which I will go in details, and also this adhesive promoting wipes. So let's get started. You will need scissor and box cutter. So first I'm going to start with the front door. So I'm going to clean up the area with Windex. I'm just using the Windex and just wipe it off nice and clean. Make sure the area is dry and clean. Now I'm going to start installing at the corner and then peel and stick. It is very easy to install. And as you go, just press firmly and then remove the excess by cutting it off. Now on the bottom there is a water drain, so I need to cut off the area so that the water drains easily. So I'm just going to remove the inner part of the seal just like this. Now you can just peel and stick. And there is another area for the water drain, which I will do the same. And then apply it and cut off the excess. So the front door is done. It is very easy to install. Now I'm going to do the A pillar, which is the front part of the door. And this has a special shape like this one, so make sure you just install it just like this so that it looks like this from the outer side. And similarly, I have installed the door seal at the rear door. Now let's take this B pillar, which goes between the 2 doors. So as you can see, there is already a notch there. So we just need to start with the closed end and then just stick this and cut off the excess. So similarly, I have installed the passenger front door. It has reduced the door closure noise significantly. And I have installed the rear door. Now let's install the trunk. So it is very easy, just start with the closed end and then peel and stick. Now you need to cut off the tube right here and then start below the light here. So it looks like this. And similarly I installed the frunk, and I have added the link in the description box if you like to purchase this item. So as you saw, the installation was quick and very easy, and this will reduce the cabin noise, also the door closure noise, and also the water that used to accumulate around the doors and even on the sides of the front and trunk. So it has improved significantly. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.